A very beautiful sum, and it's going to be very interesting too. Let's understand the sum. It says there's only a statement given to us. It says prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the other side bisects the third side. So for this, first we need to draw something. What do we need to draw? Let's understand it from the statement. We'll learn it in parts, right? It says line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. So first we need to have a triangle. Let's consider a triangle ABC, right? It says one side of a triangle. So let's consider any one side. Let's say I consider AB. We say midpoint of one side. So for that AB, we are taking M. I'm saying that M is a midpoint, means we get AM is equal to MB. That is what it means, right? So that is a given information to us. So what is the first thing given to us? We have drawn in this triangle ABC, we have AM is equal to MB, that is M is the midpoint of side AB. That's the first thing we understood, right? Simple. Now it says parallel to another side. From here, this point M, we need to draw a line which is parallel to other side. When I draw a line, which it will be parallel to which side? Obviously, it has to be parallel to BC. So that is what we have here. We have MN parallel to BC. So that's also given. We understood this. Done. Now, what we need to prove? Let's understand. It says prove that it bisects the third side. That means that line MN is bisecting the third side. Your AB is over, BC is over. So which is the third side? Obviously it is AC. So you have to prove that AC is bisected at N. Means what? Bisected. You know what do you mean by bisected? Bisected means it is dividing into two equal parts. That means we need to prove that AN is equal to NC. And that is our to prove in the sum. So is the statement clear? So from the statement we understood what to draw, what is the given and what is the to prove. Now let's come into the proof. Let's think. It's going to be very simple. Very easy. Right? Let's see what is given to us. We have M as a midpoint of AB and MN is parallel to BC. So if we consider this triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, I'm saying that MN is parallel to BC. So what do we have? We have MN which is parallel to one side of a triangle. So which theorem can we apply here? Yes, it is going to be BPT. So when we apply BPT, we'll get two ratios to be equal, right? Which two ratios? It is going to be AM upon MB is equal to AN upon NC. So we got these two ratios to be equal. And you know what is the reason for that? These two ratios are equal. The reason for that would be nothing but by basic proportionality theorem, right? By BPT, right? Is this much clear to everybody? So it was very simple. So we understood this one. Now let's move ahead. Now let's see what is the next given information we have. We have that AM is equal to MB, right? That is the next given information which we have. AM is equal to MB. Why AM is equal to MB? Because M is the midpoint of side AB, right? Now, what do we have here? Now here I'm saying that this AM is equal to MB, but in the first statement I want the ratio of AM and MB. So what we'll do is we'll shift this MB onto the left hand side so that we get a ratio. So now when we shift it, what do we get? We get AM upon MB, this ratio is equal to what? It is equal to 1. And this is what we got from that particular given, right? So we got AM upon MB is equal to 1. Beautiful. So now once we get AM upon MB is equal to 1, observe the two statements, the first statement and the second. What do we have? We have the left hand side, that is AM upon MB and AM upon MB are equal. Left hand side are equal means the right hand side will also be equal. That means we will get AN upon NC, that is the right hand side of the statement number 1 is equal to the right hand side of statement number 2, that is equal to 1, which we got, right? Beautiful. We got it from where? We got it from 1 and 2. Now what we do is we just shift that NC by cross multiplication on the right hand side. So what do we get? We get AN, that is equal to NC, and we get our proof. Isn't that easy? A simple proof. We got AN equal to NC. Done.